it's a big no. But I have a revised version of this for acne prone skin as well. Winters are back again, and so the winter skincare trend. One of the most talked about trend is slugging. You probably have heard of this before because it's not a new concept. It's been there since last 2 to 3 years. But on and off, ये trend आता है, जाता है, and then everybody start talking about this one. Why I'm here? Because you guys have requested for this one. You want me to tell you how correctly you have to do the slugging. But one important thing you need to understand is that slugging is not for everyone, because it's a process of applying a thick layer of an occlusive product, be it petroleum based or be it mineral oil based, as a last step of your skincare routine. You see, it's not at all for oily and acne prone skin, especially if you're a person who's facing comedone, because this can lead to more comedone. This can trap all the dirt and debris into your skin and make your skin worse. This process is perfect for people who have dry skin or who have a weak barrier ka issue, but for acne prone skin it's a big no. But I have a revised version of this for acne prone skin as well. Make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe button down below and press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. Now, how to do slugging in a right way. First, you have to cleanse your face. Start by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any dirt or oil or makeup. Step 2, hydrate. Apply your regular hydrating products like either your serum or moisturizer. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramide or niacinamide. Step 3 is seal. Apply a thin layer of your occlusive product, be it petroleum jelly or mineral oil based product. You can use either Vaseline petroleum jelly or you can go for the CeraVe moisturizing cream. Aveeno have Dermaxa wala moisturizer, that one is excellent. You can go for the Cetaphil cream. Basically, you have to go for a thicker consistencies. Apply it all over your face, and next morning, step 4, you have to wash that layer of the occlusive. That is it. That's all you have to do. But now, for oily and acne prone skin, instead of using a petroleum jelly or a mineral oil based product, you can opt for sleeping masks. Yes, of course, it's not a new thing. It's been there since ages, but it's an effective and safer alternative for your skin type. For the steps, step 1 and 2 remain the same. For the step 3, either you will use 100% squalane oil. Take 1 or 2 drops of that oil on your hand, gently rub and pat it all over your face. Or if you don't want to use squalane oil, you can use a sleeping mask. Now for sleeping mask, there are endless options. बहुत सारे sleeping masks are already available in the market. You can go for Laneige sleeping mask. They have water sleeping mask. They have Cica sleeping mask. They have one new bouncy and firmer wala ek mask aaya hai. You can either go for that, but they feel heavy and sticky. You can go for number 6 deep sleep mask. I have used this mask last year during winters, and I am so amazed with this mask because this one is a beautiful watery mask. Like जब इसको अप्लाई करते हो, you don't feel anything कि आपने कुछ लगाया है फेस पे. It get absorbed quickly into your skin, doesn't feel heavy and sticky. If you have missed that video, do check it out here in the I button. Beautiful mask, has suited perfectly on my comedone prone skin, so you can invest in that. These alternatives will give you the feeling of slugging without a risk of clogged pore and breakout. If you have been hesitating to try slugging due to your acne concern, give these options a try and let me know in the comment section how they have worked for you. I hope this was helpful. If it is, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe and press the bell button so you never miss any of my videos. I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.